Hey everyone, it's Gaber. Are you tired of those pesky baggage fees and struggling to fit everything you need into your suitcase? Look no further because in this video I'm revealing the ultimate packing hacks that airlines don't want you to know. These are the secrets that will change the way you travel forever. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of my future videos filled with incredible tips and tricks. Now let's dive into these game-changing packing hacks. When it comes to packing efficiently, rolling your clothes is your secret weapon. I used to be a chronic folder, but trust me, rolling your clothes not only saves a ton of space in your suitcase, but also helps prevent wrinkles. Think about it. When you fold clothes, you're creating these harsh creases. But when you roll them, it's a much smoother process. Start by laying your garment flat, folding it in half, and then tightly rolling it up like a burrito. You'll be amazed at how much more you can fit in your suitcase. Packing cubes are an absolute game changer when it comes to staying organized on the go. Imagine this, you open your suitcase and instead of a chaotic mess of clothes, everything is perfectly organized in its own little compartment. That's the magic of packing cubes. Not only do they make it super easy to find exactly what you're looking for, but they also compress your clothes even further, maximizing space in your luggage. Plus, you can use different colored packing cubes to separate your clothes by category or even by trip. Alright, this one's a no-brainer, but so many people overlook it. If you're trying to maximize space in your suitcase, wear your bulkiest items on the plane. This means your heaviest shoes, your puffiest jacket, that oversized sweater you love. Think about it, a heavy jacket alone can take up a significant portion of your luggage space. Plus, airport temperatures can be unpredictable, so wearing your jacket on the plane doubles as a cozy blanket if needed. Chapter 4. Every nook and cranny. Utilize all the space. Don't let any space go to waste in your suitcase. Those shoes you packed? Stuff them with socks, underwear, or even small electronics like chargers. That empty space in your toiletry bag? Perfect for jewelry or other small accessories. Remember, every little bit of space counts. Get creative and think outside the box when it comes to utilizing every nook and cranny. Chapter 5. Vacuum Seal Bags, the ultimate space savers. Vacuum seal bags are like magic when it comes to packing bulky items, especially if you're traveling to a colder climate. These bags allow you to remove all the air, compressing your clothes down to a fraction of their original size. Simply place your clothes in the bag, seal it using the zipper, and then use a vacuum or even a hand pump to remove the air. You'll be shocked at how much space you save. Just make sure you have access to a vacuum at your destination to repack for your return trip. Chapter 6. Toiletries pack light and utilize hotel amenities. Let's face it, toiletries can take up a surprising amount of space and weight in your luggage. My advice? Pack light and take advantage of hotel amenities. Most hotels provide shampoo, conditioner, soap, and even lotion. Instead of packing full-size bottles, use travel-sized containers or invest in some reusable silicone travel bottles. And remember, if you forget something essential, you can always buy it at your destination. Chapter 7. Go digital documents and essentials. In today's digital age, there's no need to weigh yourself down with bulky paperwork. Instead of carrying physical copies of your passport, tickets, and other important documents, go digital. Take clear photos of your documents and store them securely on your phone or in a cloud storage service. Not only does this save space and weight, but it also provides a backup in case you lose your physical copies. Chapter 8. The Art of Multi-Purpose Clothing. Pack smarter, not harder. When packing for a trip, I always try to choose clothing items that can be mixed and matched to create multiple outfits. For example, a simple black dress can be dressed up with heels and jewelry for a night out or dressed down with sandals and a cardigan for sightseeing. By packing multi-purpose clothing items, you can significantly reduce the number of items you need to bring, saving you precious luggage space. And there you have it. Those are my top secret packing hacks that airlines don't want you to know. I hope these tips help you pack smarter, maximize your luggage space, and avoid those pesky baggage fees on your next adventure. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more videos like this one. By the way, did you notice the satisfying sound effects throughout the video? Let me know what you thought of those in the comments below.